Okay, everyone under the age of 18 from ages 5 to 18. If you want to stay in school, do not tamper with the fire alarms at school. Students that tamper with fire alarms at school will not get an education and will not graduate because they did not get an education because they got expelled for tampering with the alarm. Anything that involves tampering with the fire alarm at school, vandalizing it, pulling it without a fire or without authorization, disabling it and destroying it, will definitely get you expelled from school. So, do not do any of that. You leave the alarm alone at school. I do not want any parents to get a phone call saying that their child has tampered with the fire alarm at school and is expelled. I sure don't want my parents to get that type of phone call saying that I tampered with the fire alarm. They will not, because I am smart. I am not stupid. I know better not to tamper with fire alarms at school or in any public building. Bye.